Hi everybody, Jacqueline Shaw here, the founder of the Cane Road Company. I thought this would be a good opportunity to have a quick chat with everybody. Just a little bit of a reintroduction of who I am and what we do here at the Cane Road Company. You may have seen the previous post where we have been announced winners with the HSBC competition, which has given us visibility increase and ambassadors for the day, Brian Driscoll and Dame Kelly Holmes. But the reason this is so important is because, myself, I'm Jacqueline, and I formed this business based on my own breast cancer diagnosis a few years ago and hair loss that followed that due to chemotherapy. I found it really important to provide people with a more healthier alternative. I never wanted to use plastics again, and now I want to encourage people to use plants even over plastics. So I kind of want to encourage you to check out what we do, come on board, follow, sign up to our mailing list, and order yourself a